Welcome back, children. You are watching channel Kids Growing Stars. Hi kids, let's learn about some amazing birds. First is a sparrow. These are sparrows, small and brown. Parrot. Here's a parrot, very colorful and can talk. Peacock. A peacock, beautiful feathers. Eagle. This is an eagle, strong and fly high. Penguin. Look at the cute penguin. Penguin cannot fly, but they are great swimmers. Flamingo. See the flamingo, pink and stand on one leg. Owl. This is an owl, awake at night. Hummingbird. Look at the thin hummingbird, hovers in the air. Robin. Here's robin, red chest and sing. Swan. Look at the swan, glides on water. Toucan. This is a toucan, big colorful beak. Pigeon. Meet the pigeon, common in cities. Duck. This is a duck, quacks and swims. Woodpecker. This is a woodpecker, pecks at trees. Kingfisher. Kingfisher catch the fish. Seagull. This is a seagull, found near the sea. Crow. A crow is a black bird that is very smart. Hoopoe. This is hoopoe. They use their long beaks to find insects in the ground. Turkey. A turkey has a big round body and a fan-shaped tail. Crane. This is a crane, tall with long legs. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share.